Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go over fiber lashes and how to apply fiber mascara. Today I'm doing like a mini photo shoot, so that's why I have like my makeup done, and I don't want to wear lashes. I just want to do like a natural look, so I'm using fiber mascara because it does give you the length that you need. Okay, so the first mascara that I'm gonna apply is called the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof Maybelline mascara, and it's this one right here. And then this I got from Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can order it like from Amazon or like Walmart or something like that. So make sure my hair is good. So this is the CoverGirl Super Large Fibers, and that just looks like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I don't want to hold y'all long. I think that's good. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just comb out your lashes like this. Now what I'm gonna do is go over this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually wipe off the excess of this. And what you can do is just put the rest, just do it like that. Just put it on back in there. But you don't want a lot of mascara. You want to like lightly apply it so that it won't be clumpy, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look up like this, and I want to roll my mascara on like this. I'm kind of rolling, if you can see, I'm kind of rolling this spoolie, but what I also want to do is make sure that I am, you know, going through each lashes and combing them out, like, because that's what's going to make them look more natural. Now, what you want to do is go back in and apply another coat. And I also forgot, you can wipe the excess off like that too. But I'm going to go on in and apply another coat. Because y'all, you don't want to let this dry. You don't want to let it dry. And then put another coat on it. So basically, when you're applying what is this called, mascara, you don't want to wait and let it dry. You want to keep applying like I'm doing. So now, after I applied 2 coats of that, I'm gonna go in and apply these CoverGirl large size fiber, and this brush looks a little different, but I'm gonna do it the same way, y'all. Start from the bottom and kind of like that. And so now what I'm going to do is focus on the tips of my lashes because I want those to be longer. And since it is fiber, it's going to, I don't know if you guys can see what it's doing, but it's going to elongate what you already have because you're working with little fibers, if that makes sense. And so what I like to do is just, once I have on those coats that I just did, and sometimes you gotta wipe this off too, but I'm just gonna apply it to the tips because I want my lashes a little longer. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but the fibers are attaching to my lashes, making them appear more longer than they actually are. And so this is a good alternative if you don't wear lashes or you don't want to wear lashes. I know you guys can see the difference in my lashes. That's what we like, that's what we want. And so for more, I guess to make them a little darker, you can go back over with this, which is what I'm about to do. Go back over it with the falsies, just to make it more darker. Like that. So can you guys see the difference in the fiber, non-fiber? Alright, so now I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. Alright y'all, so that's basically it for this tutorial. But I know you guys can see the difference in these eyelashes. It's literally instant eyelash growth, like. But yeah, check out these mascaras that I just showed you guys. They also have different types of fiber mascara. You don't have to get this kind. They have fiber mascara that just like you can just use one bottle of like mascara, like you don't have to use two. But my preference, that's why I use both of these. That's just what I prefer. But anyways, great mascara, great fiber mascara. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and try out this mascara just to, you know, grow your eyelashes instantly. And anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.